Best keyboard shortcuts. To begin, I added some videos to my timeline, and I want to use some keyboard shortcuts. Press V key to select the selection tool. With selection tool you can drag a media and drop it somewhere else. If you want to select multiple clips, hold down Shift key and click on them. Press Ctrl+C to undo changes. Press C key to use razor tool, which is used to add cuts on media. Press T key to use type tool, which is used to add a text to project. Now press V key again to select the selection tool. Press Home key to go to the start of the timeline and End key to go to the end of timeline. Hold down the Alt key and use mouse scroll wheel to zoom in or out to the timeline. If a clip has a red line above it, press Enter key to render it. Press Ctrl+C to copy clips, then press Ctrl+V to paste them at playhead position. Another way to copy is to hold down the Alt key and drag media to another place to paste them. Use your right or left arrow keys to go forward or backward one frame at a time. Hold down the Shift key and use right or left arrow keys to go forward or backward 5 frames at a time. Select a media and use Alt key and right or left arrow keys to move that media one frame to the left or right. Use Shift and Alt together and press right or left arrow keys to move the media 5 frames at a time. Press up and down arrows to go to next or previous media in timeline. Press spacebar to play the timeline. Press L key to fast forward the playback and press L multiple times to increase the playback speed. Press J key to reverse the playback and press J multiple times to increase the reverse playback speed. Select a clip and press Ctrl+R to open speed/duration window. Click anywhere in your timeline, then press Ctrl+M to open export window. Press Ctrl+K to cut the media at the playhead position. Select a clip and press Delete key to delete it. Select a clip and press Shift+Delete to ripple delete it, and move other media backward. Drag from the end of a clip to trim the clip. Hold down the Control and drag from the end of a clip to do a ripple trim. Hold down Control key and drag a clip to move it in between clips. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.